So hello friends, myself Akshay. Today I'm with class 9 students who are going to perform an experiment about hydrogen gas pop sound. So which gas will be evolved, guys? Hydrogen. So I have with me two students who are going to perform this experiment. So before we start, students please introduce yourself.
Myself Yashar, I am a student of Concept in class 9.
Myself Bhavesh, I am student of Concept in class 9.
Start the experiment. Take the test tube first. Clamp it on the clamp. Take the funnel. Add a few amounts of acid in. Take the zinc granula. Dip the zinc granula in acid. Now let's wait for some time. So student, one of you come here and take your observation, please. What is your observation?
Yes sir, I can see some bubbles are forming.
And which gas is it?
Hydrogen.
Right. Once more, come and have some observation. What is your observation?
So some bubbles are forming.
Right. Which gas is it?
It is hydrogen.
So we are going to see that now. So a successful experiment being performed by these two young students. Can we have a round of applause for them?